Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can activate Edge panel on Samsung phone. So guys, let's get started. First of all, let's just open our settings application on our Samsung phone. Then we're going to find the display setting. This one, tap on the display setting and you can simply tap on this toggle button, Edge panel toggle button to activate the Edge panels. Okay, and now the Edge panel has been activated, but before it, I'm going to explain to you what the Edge panel is. So guys, Edge panel is a shortcut tab that allows you to open your favorite apps quickly and easily. Now let's just practice how we can use the Edge panel. This is the Edge panel guys, this one, and we can simply swipe left to open the Edge panel. Then you will get quick access to your favorite application, and you can customize the application you would like to display on this Edge panel. You can tap on this button to customize the application. Okay, and just select your favorite application right here. Right guys, and that's how we can activate Edge panel on Samsung phone. I hope this tutorial will be helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and see you on the next video.